Welcome back from the break. All right, so we've heard time and time again about how in the future every household will have a robot like the Jetsons. Hello, future. Meet JIBO, the world's first family robot.
This is your house. This is your car. This is your toothbrush. These are your things. But these are the things that matter. And somewhere in between is this guy. Introducing JIBO, the world's first family robot. Say hi, JIBO.
Hi, JIBO.
JIBO helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman. By intelligently tracking the action around him, he can independently take video and photos, so that you can put down your camera and be a part of the scene.
JIBO, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back, so you don't have to skip a beat.
Excuse me, Anne?
Yes, JIBO.
Melissa just sent a reminder that she's picking you up in half an hour to go grocery shopping.
Thanks, JIBO.
He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, JIBO can teach.
Let me in, or else I'll...
Huh.
And I'll...
Huh.
And I'll blow your house in.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger.
Check out my turkey dinner, Mom.
I wish you wouldn't eat that.
Hey, they make turkey pizza? I want turkey pizza.
Now, JIBO has one eye that squints when he giggles and a head that detects human movement as well emotions. He is made with a platform so developers will be able to apply technological advances right to JIBO's hardware as soon as they come out. This little guy weighs 6 pounds and is 11 inches tall. He may not be able to walk around and hang out with you, but he can carry a great conversation with you, laugh with you, and be your friend. You can go online right now and pre-order your JIBO for $499. I'll make sure to put that on my Christmas list.